it's Kay in front.
And Maggie behind.
And we're going to do our large and regular flat back ink pad storage, which appears to be long overdue. We remember filming one yonks ago.
Where have we put it?
Yes, it's in a safe place somewhere. So anyway, so we've got this one in the meantime. So lay out all your bits and pieces and follow the instructions. They're quite simple. You need to lay it out and make sure everything fits together like so. And then you can ink up.
This is what we call a dry run, isn't it?
Yes, it's right. You do a dry run because they will only fit one way. So you might just have to turn the pieces over. And then we put a load of tape on, which is our soft pour tiger tape. So this is repositionable tape. And it just holds everything in place so everything stays nice and true.
What sort of glue would you recommend, Kay?
A very good PVA or a good strong wood glue. If you're hanging it up, because as you see, you've got holes on here. Well, I know what you will do. Right, you've got holes on here. So if you want to, you can hang it on the wall. But if you're doing that, I would probably recommend an extremely good wood glue for that.
But we don't recommend a glue gun.
Oh gosh, no, don't ever use a glue gun on this thing. No. Right, and basically you do that, and then now we're going to just put glue on everything. So this takes a bit of a time. So we're just.
So you're putting the glue on the inny bits, as
yeah,
it were.
I always
recesses.
put. Yeah. If I do all the inny bits, yeah, all recesses if you're going to be posh about it.
Yeah, I'll be posh today.
Okay. Actually, recess
Can't
is one of the.
spell it, though.
No, I don't, recess I could probably actually spell. Don't test me, but I could probably give it a good stab. All right. So put all your glue on, and obviously, as you're putting your glue on, you need to get this done sooner rather than later. So don't put your glue on and disappear.
You get distracted like I do.
Yeah, don't do that.
Like when I make the tea, I put the tea bag in and then forget about it.
Yes, you can't make a cup of tea with a tea.
Well, I can because I use a teapot at home.
Yes, well, we don't have a teapot
which
here.
is how you should make tea.
No, we have tea bags here. So I'm an expert at making it with a tea bag, and I make an extremely good cup of tea with a tea bag as it happens.
I make a good one with a pot.
There we go. So we'll have our skill levels.
Do you know our cat teapot we've got at home?
Yeah.
It's got a giant crack in it, so
Oh no, you can't use it for a tea.
can't use it. No, it's not safe. So I've ordered a new one at great expense.
Right.
Because I wanted cats again.
Right.
I haven't told Roger how much it is.
I hope he doesn't watch this video then. He might ask.
He won't. He'll have fallen asleep by now. So.
Right, so this is the boring bit, is putting the glue on. And when you put your glue on, you want enough for it to stick. But if you put too much on, it's counterproductive because it just sticks to itself. But then the bond will fail in the middle of the glue.
Yeah, less is more really.
Yeah, it is a bit on this.
Isn't it? And Kay's actually using a glue press, which is by My Sweet Petunia. But you can, if you're going to be gluing a lot of things and you have dexterity issues, it's a great tool to use, and you can get that. We don't stock it at the moment, but if you email us, we can tell you where to get it from.
We can indeed. And of course, it comes with different glue in it, but we obviously put
our bookbinding glue in it.
Our proper glue in it.
Yes. As you should.
As you should. Right, I think I've put. No, I haven't missed one.
Sorry, I'm distracted.
It does. Yeah, this is the boring bit. It gets a bit more exciting after this.
I don't know where that video's gone because I know we did it.
I vaguely remember doing it as well. Okay, so I think I've got glue and everything now. So I guess basically you just put it together. So slot that into there. And slot that one on to there. Right.
And this is why you have the tape, because it's like an extra pair of hands.
Yeah, so you can put that up.
And the tolerances are tight. We designed
so it might squeak.
So they're tight.
So if it squeaks, don't be surprised. Oops. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, that's because I wasn't right. I'll put that one's in. And let's put this one in. That's it. There we go. Right.
Okay, what are those little holes at the side panels for?
They're for, if you've got a calyx or a QB bookcase thing, you can put them in parallel, and then if you put a little handle on, you can pull them out. So you can put. I think you can get about 3 of these in a cube. So that will give you lots. So these hold. Looking at the thing. Oh, how many did I hold, Maggie? I can't remember. It's quite a lot.
It is quite a lot.
I can't remember.
Oh, 1, 2, 3,
Okay, and I put a bit of tape around on each corner as well, just to keep it in place.
48.
48, so 48 times 3 is lots, isn't it?
Yeah.
So just put that there. Put the last one in. Okay, so that's your outer case glued together, and it's held together with tape. And I would definitely give this 24 hours before you put ink pads in it.
Okay. Would you leave it now before you put your other bits in? Or
No,
would
you
put
can,
all the
no. I would
bits
do
in?
that. I would do the whole lot together. I would glue it all together, and then do it later. So make sure that's in. That's it. I'll just hit a click. So there we go. And then you get 3 of these comby ones. So they just literally fit in the centre like that. So as I've got 3 the same, I'm going to glue them all together. So again, I'll just do the inny bits. And these ones are the shelf supports. So if you do all of this together, it does mean when you put the shelves in, you've got a little bit of give before the glue actually dries. So it goes like that.
Oh, I'm just going to check. That might be my papers that might be
I think somebody's been ordering graphic 45 and getting overexcited about
I'm
it.
expecting 5. Oh, no, it's not here yet.
Oh, right.
Disappointing.
There we go. So our shelf supports go in like that, and then you get 11 shelves, and then you slot these in. So the first one is usually the most difficult, and if you can glue these in if you want to, or you can leave them without gluing, but I tend to glue them. So what I tend to do, is get a little bit of glue and just put a blob of glue on the top of each one, and it takes the glue down with it.
The advantage of not gluing it is that you can take them out if you've got suddenly get like fatter ink pads, or you want to put store something differently in there.
The one I'm putting together at the moment is the regular one. So this is for your square ink pads like Distress. So if you want to, so this is, and then the large one, it's exactly the same putting it together, but it's obviously it's for longer dies, longer ink pads rather.
Yeah, longer and thinner, aren't they?
Yeah. Again, this is a. So you say, whoops.
That's so good, that glue thingy, isn't it?
It is, it's quite handy. As I was late to the party getting one, but I've got one, I'm quite happy with it. Oh, there we go. Right. Right, so the first one is going to be the most difficult, so I tend to put it at one end. So can you see that? Yeah. Am I in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, and then just slot that in. There we go, and it drops down. There we go. And then the rest should follow reasonably easily. There we go. If you wanted to, you can put glue down these bits if you want. I haven't, because once they're in, they don't tend to move. But you can glue those if you want to. There we go, and just move it up. And it is that easy to put in, so it's quite simple to put in. Also, if you wanted to put it on the wall and you do these bits here, I would mark them before you put your put this together, because it'd be easier to.
Mark the holes on the wall.
Yes,
you mean?
yeah, mark the holes on the wall.
And the same with putting your little, if you want to put like a little string handle in, obviously.
Yes, yeah, put that in now.
Put that in before you put those
so
in.
I'll show you the holes in a minute. So we have got one somewhere that's already decorated, but it's we didn't get it out. It's lurking around somewhere. There we go. Right, so that is your front. So if I move it up like that, can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come forward a bit.
Forward, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, so I would leave the tape on. I'll put that corner one on because I forgot to do that one. There we go. Keep that. So I'll keep the tapes on for about 24 hours and then come back. But if you see on the side, you've got they're the holes.
Can't see them at all.
They're the holes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come forward a bit.
So so those holes. So you would put those on before you put your shelves in. So then you can have a little handle. So if you have it in your calyx, you can move it like that. So then you can have lots of ink pads.
Brilliant.
So basically, that's how you put it together. So thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.